The Inside Home by Olgooco in AMMAMEH, Iran. One of the problems of suburban development in Iran is unauthorized development. And this has practically taken the place of urban planning and seriously threatens suburban gardens. On the other hand, inflation and economic problems have turned the living space into a capital commodity and made it profitable to build more under any circumstances. This causes the typology of the villa to become an apartment. Therefore, one of the project's challenges was to provide privacy in a neighborhood resulting from the gardens converted into apartments. In this residence, people are allowed to experience another way of collective life that enables them to face more of the nature that has been rejected in the city. Therefore, 3 separate 70-square-meter caves have been dug around a hole in the center of the ground that provides for this accommodation camp's needs. The first cave contains the bedrooms, the second one is for living, and the third cave is the pool and utility. One will feel nature while moving between buildings, making the experience of each space independent and unique. The public building benefits from maximum light and view. On the contrary, the bedroom building located on the other side of the yard has a minimum light to underscore a big difference between social and private life with the most privacy. Through a wide porch, the inner courtyard empties the soil of the hill towards the view of the opposite village in the west, so that it can be seen through the garden's trees in all seasons. In this way, open and semi-open spaces benefit from the light and natural views without being exposed to the nobility, and the project itself preserves the natural landscape for the neighbors.